students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to another video class of statistics and probability. Today we are going to learn about the median and mode, that how can we calculate the median and mode by the help of graph. We have learned that how can we calculate that by the formula. Now we are going to learn that how can we calculate it, that with the help of the graph. For the median, we can calculate the median from an ogive when the ogive is given. So because median is that value which is lies on the x-axis corresponding to the cumulative frequency. So students, here we have to calculate the median for an ogive curve. So I've taught you previously that how you can calculate the cumulative frequency curve, which is also known as ogive curve, for both the less than type and more than type. Here we have for the upper class boundary, and we have constructed the table for that particular graph. Now we need to construct the graph for that data. So what we will do, we will locate the upper class boundary with the corresponding to the cumulative frequency. 14 has 10 cumulative frequency, 18 has 23, 22 has 38, 26 has 68, 30 has 88. Now with the help of a freehand curve, we will join all those points. Now we have to find out that where is the median of that particular graph. So for the median, we will find out by the help of summation of f divided by 2 term. The total number of frequency is 88. 88 divided by 2 is equals to 44th term, where the 44th term is corresponding to that cumulative frequency on the x-axis is our median. So where is 44? Here is 44. Corresponding to that particular cumulative frequency on the x-axis is our median, which is around 23. 23 is our median. Here our median lies, which is 23. So the median is 23. So students, here we have a data. We have a group frequency distribution, and we need to find out the mode for that. But for that, the examiner says first you need to construct the graph. So we will first construct the histogram, which is super easy, and the link is in the description box, that how we can construct the histogram. So students, with the help of the data, I have constructed the histogram for that particular data, and I need to locate the mode. There are 3 steps for the for finding out the mode from the graph. First, you need to construct an histogram. After constructing a histogram, you need to locate the mode by the help of joining the right upper corner with the left corner of the preceding class, just like that. We will join the right and left corners and the point where the corners are intersecting with each other. Mode, which is around around 32.8 or 32.7 something. For the verification that this is the actual mod, we will calculate the mod with the algebraic method with the help of the formula. If the mod comes the same, then there is no error. So let's calculate the mod with the help of the algebraic method, which is L plus H Fm minus F1 divided by 2 Fm minus F2 minus F1. By putting the values with the help of the data, I have taught you that how you can calculate the mod for the algebraic method. The link is in the description box, and you can also see the card above your screen, so you can watch that videos for any queries if you have any confusion for that. So by putting all those values here, we got the mod which is 32.8, which is actually the same the mod we have calculated here by intersecting the upper left and right corners with the both preceding class. So this is how we can calculate the mod and median from the graphs. So students, this is all for today, and I hope you have learned something new from that particular topic. If you have learned something new, then I request you to please like that video, share that video to other students, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos related to statistics and probability. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.